Help! Help!
Don't let go of me.
We're slipping!
Hold on.
Look! It's a pump!
Thank goodness, we're safe.
We made it!
What about these videos? I think they are absolutely amazing, right? And yes, I know what you're thinking. These types of videos can easily go viral. But most people also think they are very hard to create, right? But don't worry, the Skill Tech Studio team is always here to support and help you. Just look at this TikTok channel. Almost every single video gets millions of views, and some videos even crossed 30 million views. So, is creating these miniature character rescue videos difficult? No, it's actually much easier than you think. With the right AI prompts, the right workflow, and the right guidance, anyone can create these ultra-realistic viral videos. These videos are exploding right now on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels because people love emotional miniature rescue stories with satisfying transformations. The best part? You don't need expensive animation skills, professional editing team, years of experience. You just need creative ideas, good prompts, consistency, the right strategy. And that's exactly what Skill Tech Studio helps you with. We simplify the entire process step by step so beginners can also create cinematic viral content easily. So if you want to start making viral AI miniature videos and grow fast on social media, you are in the right place. Now let's jump into ChatGPT and enter the prompt. I know a lot of people struggle with prompts. Most beginners don't know what to write or how to write it properly, and honestly, that's the biggest reason why most people fail to create high-quality AI content. But don't worry, because I've already solved that problem for you. I created a powerful, ready-to-use prompt that is specially designed to generate viral-style miniature rescue videos with cinematic quality results. Your job is super simple. Copy the prompt from the description, paste it into ChatGPT, and let the AI do the magic. That's it. And before we continue, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because it really helps support the content and motivates me to bring more amazing tutorials like this for you. Now here comes the exciting part. The moment you paste this prompt into ChatGPT, it will generate a complete, structured result with emotional story ideas, cinematic, image prompts matching VO3, video prompts consistent miniature, characters viral style scenes ready for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. And the craziest part? This exact type of content is getting millions of views right now. But here's the truth most people ignore. If your prompt is weak, your results will also be weak. Your images won't look cinematic, your videos won't feel emotional, your scenes won't look realistic, and your content will look average. And average content does not go viral. That's why prompts are everything. A good prompt can completely change the quality of your content. Now let's come to Flow AI and understand which tool I used. The main reason I chose this tool is because of its powerful and user-friendly system. All you need to do is log in using your Gmail account. No complicated steps at all. Once you log in, you instantly unlock Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro features. And the best part is, both options are completely free to use. Yes, absolutely free with no hidden charges or subscriptions. You can generate 10 images, 50 images, or even hundreds without any limitation. This makes it perfect for beginners as well as advanced content creators. Now here comes the real magic of this tool. Just copy your prompt from the ChatGPT platform, then paste it into Flow AI and let the system do everything. Automatically, within minutes, all your images will be generated in front of you. And when you see the results, you'll honestly be surprised. The image quality is extremely sharp, detailed, and professional. It feels like premium content, but you're getting it completely free. You don't need any editing skills, voiceovers, or background music. Everything is handled by AI in a simple and efficient way. This is a hidden opportunity that many people still don't know about. That's exactly why I created this channel, to guide you step by step. So follow along carefully, because this can truly change your content game. Now let's move into the Flow AI video generation section. I know many people are thinking, Flow AI is not completely free. And yes, that's true. But here's the important part most people don't realize. Flow AI gives you free daily credits every single day. Right now, you get around 50 free credits daily. And with those credits, You can easily create around 5 high-quality AI videos every day. And honestly, that's already more than enough for beginners to start growing on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. But wait, here comes the smart strategy. Once your daily credits finish, you can simply switch to another Gmail account and get another 50 credits again. So imagine this. One Gmail, just 5 videos daily. 5 Gmail accounts, just 25 videos daily. That's insane. And the craziest part? The video quality is absolutely unbelievable. Now make sure you select the model, Veo 3.1 Lite. This model is amazing. It creates ultra cinematic videos using only around 10 credits, and the output quality feels almost unreal for a free workflow. Here's exactly what I do. Upload the AI image paste, the same video prompt, click generate, and within a minute, Flow AI creates pure magic. And yes, I really mean magic, because the results are crazy. Cinematic motion, amazing sound quality, realistic environmental audio, beautiful background atmosphere, perfect ASMR effects, smooth, realistic animations. Everything looks incredibly professional. I personally tested it multiple times because I generated 5 different videos to compare the results one by one. And honestly, every single output looked amazing. This is why so many viral creators are using AI tools like this to upload content consistently every single day.
Help, help!
Don't let go of me.
We're slipping!
Hold on.
Look, it's a pump!
Thank goodness, we're safe.
We made it!
You no longer need expensive editing software, high-level animation skills, a professional production team. Now anyone can create cinematic viral content directly from AI. That's the power of modern AI tools. And remember, consistency matters more than perfection. Even if your first videos are not perfect, keep posting, keep testing new prompts, and keep improving. Because one viral video can completely change your channel overnight. The opportunity right now is huge, especially for people who start early and stay consistent. So don't waste time thinking too much. Start creating, start uploading, start learning, and most importantly, start now. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends so more people can learn how to create viral AI videos for free. See you in the next video.